Happy Friday morning, everybody. Darren Wright, the Wright inspector here. We are doing a water flow test in the house. Home is only 7 years old. Does have a water softener that has salt in it and appears to be in good shape. I got 2 sinks. The tub is on. And this is what we got for a shower. To get this to stay here, I'm going to go outside and turn the water softener in bypass and see if it makes a difference. Okay, I think we found out what the problem is. This water softener is clogged up. Probably has been run without salt for a while and may need to be taken apart and serviced by a qualified plumber. Right now everything flows good, so at least we know what it is. Thanks for watching and have a great weekend.